Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back, you see. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the Nissan Sentra, the 012 Nissan Sentra. As you can see, these seat belts don't work. They don't work. So we gotta change these seat belts out, you see. So we gotta pull it forward like that, and do that, and we gotta get that out, you see. Got enough room back here. Enough room back here to make sure there ain't nothing up under the seat. It looks clear. Okay. So now we gotta take these panels off. Do we gotta take them off? Yes, we gotta take the panels off, of course. I should have known that. You see? I should have known that. Don't want to break anything. Okay. Yeah. Don't want to break anything, so. Pop. Pop. Okay. Okay, let's see. Want to reach back here? Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Yeah, like that. And I think that should be it. Okay. Now, that's off good enough. I think, I don't have to take it all the way off. I think that's good. And I think that's a, what? That's a 14. Get out of the way, blinds. I said blinds. Ooh. That's a 14 or a 15, right? Right? Let's see. Let's see if that's a 14 or a 15. This is a 5/8. Definitely not a 5/8. I think it's a 15. I think it's a 15, guys. Yeah. I think it's a 15. Let's see if we got a 15. I don't know. I mean, I know we got a 15. Good. We got a 15 ratchet. Okay. Okay. I can't even see that. See if it was a 15 or not right there, guys. How do you know? Can't see it. Gotta put my glasses on. What is that? I can't see it. Now, it looks like a 14, right? Look like a 14, yeah. I think. I can't see. My eyes are shot. My eyes are shot. Okay. Now, we need to loosen the connectors that connect to it. Right? I really need to put my glasses on, because I am not kidding. Oh man, this looks like it might be a little different from the one I got. I'm not sure. It looks a little different. That looks a little different. It does. So let's go up here and see. I could be wrong. It probably is the same. Okay. It's the same. It's the same. So let's get it off. I forgot what I did with my. I had some needle, like a real small needle type pliers. Not pliers, like a screwdriver. I don't know what I did with it. That would work. I guess this will have to. This will have to work. Let me get my glasses. Can't see nothing. Man, I tell you. I had 20/20 eye vision at one time, and then all of a sudden, can't see worth crap. Yes, I said it. I had 20/20 eye vision at one point. Now I can't see crap. You see? I really did. Had 20/20 eye vision. Okay. Down here, guys. Let's see, how did this thing go? I do not know. It looks like you would squeeze right here and pull them up. I should do it on the one up there, right? Yeah, I should get the one up there to do it on. That's what I need to do. Okay. Now, since we're not going to use these anyway, so how do we take these off? How do we take these off? Okay. Okay. Wait a minute. Pull that up, right? Got that. Simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. See? Okay. So that was easy. That was simple. It looked kind of blurry. Okay, we pop this little piece right here up. This little piece right here. Just pop it up and pull it off. That simple. Just that simple. Okay. Now let's get this bottom piece off. Okay, let's get it off. Put this down here. Okay, and now I think that's another 14 again. I think it's a 14. Okay. Okay. Come on. Getting it off, you see. Let me show it to you. Gotta take this piece off down here. See? Unscrew it. Just like that. Yeah. That's it. Now that part is off. Now we got the bottom part completely off. Okay, now it's time to get the top part off. I don't remember how I did this. I'm pretty sure it's simple though. I think I peeled this part right here, this cap off of here. I don't want to. Yeah, I think that's what I did. Yeah, pull that off. Screw right there. Right there. Okay. Now, I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that is. I thought it would have one more smaller one. I thought it would have like a 10 mil. And that is not a 10 mil. That is still a 14. That is still a 14 mil. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, something ain't right. I remember using a 10 mil, but let's see. Let's try putting it back where it belongs. First of all, let's see if these the same. See if it's the same one, okay? Okay. Looks like it. Make sure you can see it. They look alike, right? Those look alike, right? I think they do. I think they're alike. You see? The model numbers, let's see. 6, 15, 44, 32, 00, C. Yep. They indeed are the same. So let's put the replacement on. Okay. Man, I gotta remember how I took this thing out of here, Ron. Gotta remember how I took it out of here. You see? Gotta remember how I took it out of here. Okay. It goes in here like this, right? Make sure. Now this screw goes in there, right? Kinda got a brain for it, so I think that is right. Okay. Hold on, let's loosen that again because Lord. Okay, I got both sides on, guys. I had to stop the video and put them on because I don't know how much time I got left on this. I don't know how much time I got left on it, you see. So I'm gonna be stopping it back and forth. Okay, I'll be stopping it back and forth, you see. Yeah, I'm gonna be stopping it back and forth. But anywho, we're gonna have to vacuum it. So I'm gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna cut it again, guys, because I don't know how much time I got. So I'm going to vacuum a little bit. Let's just get started with it anyhow, and then I'll stop if I have to. Okay. Man, it's really hard doing this. Alright. Y'all gonna hear a loud noise. Y'all know how it sounds. Sounds like this. As y'all can see, we got it all vacuumed up. Got the seat belts on. Both seat belts are on. Good. The car is vacuumed. It's clean. Now, we got to get that airbag in. Yeah, we got to get that airbag in. Got to get that in. Then we got to put the wires on. We got to solder the wires back on as well, because I don't know if I cut those. Yes, I know why I cut them. I did. I cut those. But they were melted. That's why I cut these. They were melted. So I had to cut these off. So, gotta get the airbag. I swear I had an airbag for this car. I know we have a thief at yard 1, so he probably could have went in here and took my airbag, guys. I mean, I didn't have it in here. I had it probably sitting on the floor or something. But yes, we do have a thief over there that breaks in people's cars and stuff, so that could have been what happened. You see? I probably could have had it. What is this? Apple, what is this? What is this? I don't know. What is that? I can't even see the name on it. Oh, Lord. But yeah. That could have happened. So we need the airbag. And we're still waiting on the pieces for the bumpers. For the bumper, not bumpers. Bumper. Still waiting on these pieces. I'm gonna take this one off. It seemed dry rotted. So we got 2 of those coming. Then we'll put this thing on and get the bumper on. Thought I had a grill as well. Don't know what happened to it. I gotta look. I could have all the stuff at yard 1 in the dumpster. It could be in yard 1, at yard 1 in the dumpster, guys. That's what it could be. You see? But I don't know. But guys, that is the end of the video. Yeah, we still got the paperwork in here, guys. When this car first got bought, what was the price? I can't really see. I can't see. Is the price on here? I don't think so. What is that right there? I can't see that. Can y'all see that? If you can see that, I think that is the price right there. Yeah. I have glasses on. But I think that is the price. Because this is a Nissan 2012 SER. And then I can see total, but I can't see the price. Look like 21,000 and some change. I can't see that. I can't see that. Yeah. Okay, so yes, this is the original thing that they had on the windows, guys, when this car first was bought. So I think we're dealing with a 1 owner here. And that is the owner's manual. Yeah, I think we're dealing with a 1 owner's car right here. Yep. So we about to get this thing finished up. It should be finished probably by next week because we still got to get that grill. The bumper should be finished. We should have the bumper up and on. Probably I would say Wednesday or Thursday. So because the part should be coming Wednesday. Yeah. Then we got to get that grill. I don't know if I'm going to get it from LKQ or I'm just going to get it off eBay because they're really cheap. So I don't want to get an old ugly one from LKQ when I can get a nice one, even though it'll be OME at LKQ and off eBay, just an aftermarket. But we'll see. We will see. And then this car, it will be finished and ready to go. Gotta get it inspected because this was the last time. I don't think y'all can see that. That's kind of dark. That's my eyes just can't see it. That was the last time this car was when the oil was changed on here. Yeah, last time, guys. That's when it should. You should be putting oil in, I believe, and this is when it got done. Yeah, but I can't see that. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, a share, and subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard. This yard 1 or 3, I don't know. Peace.